In this video, we're going to be installing the Samsung Galaxy A54 film screen protector. In the box, you'll get two film screen protectors, you'll get an installation jig, you'll get a squeegee, two dust removal stickers, and finally a microfiber cloth. Now to start with, grab the installation tray and remove the two protective film strips to reveal the adhesive. This will stick to the bottom of the phone. Give the phone a firm press into the installation jig, then grab your microfiber cloth and wipe the screen free of any fingerprints. Next, grab your dust removal sticker, dab it onto the display to remove any bits of dust from the microfiber cloth. Next up, grab your film screen protector and squeegee and place your film screen protector onto the installation jig. Then peel number one, then grab your squeegee and run it up the film screen protector in one swift motion. Now you can peel the top half of the screen protector up towards you, place the squeegee down on the screen protector, then push up and the protective backing will start to come off the back of the film screen protector. Now turn the device around and repeat the process for the bottom half of the screen protector. Then remove the final protective layer and the installation jig, and if you need to, grab the microfiber cloth and work any bubbles towards the edge of the screen protector. However, if you've done the motions in one swift movement, you should have no bubbles left on the screen. Overall, it's a nice simple screen protector to install. However, because it is just film, it will most likely only protect the A54 from light scratches compared to a glass screen protector, which will more likely protect the screen from cracking. If you'd like to purchase this screen protector, visit the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to give us a like and subscribe.